बिरज में लडुआ बटे।
नंद घर आयो गोपाल, बाजे रे देखो थाल, बीरज में लडुआ बटे।
परेड साधन विश्राम। एक दो एक, एक दो एक, एक दो एक, परेड थम, एक दो। रो तो नहीं जमा गया तो कमी छाड़ी नहीं आ गया, मार आ गया क्या?
पल न सजायो जसोदा मैया, पल न सजायो
हरी हरी
जसोदा मैया।
झूला झूले पलना में किसन कन्हैया, झूला झूले पलना में किसन कन्हैया। हो रयो चंद्र धमाल, नाचे रे सखी बिरज में लडुआ बटे। नंद घर आयो गोपाल, बाजे रे देखो थाल, बिरज में लडुआ बटे।
दोनों अलग अलग समझते टीरी गोटे जगह देखे सेपटे 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 हाँ
हिजरा उतार देखो सखियां सारी, हिजरा उतार दे सखियां सारी।
मोहनी सुरतिया पे जग बलिहारी, मोहनी सुरतिया पे जग बलिहारी। मीठो मुस्कावे नंदलाल, घुंघराला एक बाल, बिरज में लडुआ बटे। नंद घर आयो गोपाल, बाजे रे देखो थाल, बिरज में लडुआ बटे।
नंद घर आयो गोपाल, बाजे रे देखो थाल, बीरज में लडुआ बटे।
नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की। जय कन्हैया लाल की।
ओह कि चाष करछे मानियल तुम so you can see this is the arum vegetable which has been freshly come from that our plantation area and our shipman is holding this arum. You can show some arum, you show some arum. You can see this is the arum justly now we brought it from our farm. You can see this is the farming which is taking place. This is the cute boy who is taking the farming. This is our nani which is a farming place of our village. So this is the plantation area of our village where our village people have brought out different plants. These are some sort of dal plants. You can see the dal plants are here. There is one banana plant and these are some of the, you call it saru. I don't know what the English name of the saru is, but this is a saru plant. And this is some sort of dal plants are here. You can see all the plants. Yes.
ସବୁ ସେଇଠି ସେ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଯାହା କହିବେ ନା ଇଲେ କିଏ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଇଏ ଏବେ ସିଏ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ହଁ ବାଟ
ଅଛୁ ଅଛୁ ଆମେ ଅଛୁ ଶୁଣ ହାଏ ଶୁଣ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଉପରେ ଲୋଡ୍ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟା
ପୂର୍ବ ଆମେ ପୂର୍ବ ଆଡ଼େ ପଶିଲା ଆମେ ପୂର୍ବ ଆଡ଼େ ପଶିଲା ତମେ କାହିଁ ତମେ ବସିବ ନା ସେ ଉପରେ
Hari bol. Ayolah baik.
Mama, kau kau nak? So it's the place where we used to study. You can see the place. This is our old childhood days where I used to study with my friends like Sipu Vaina, Papu Vaina, Milan Vaina. Everyone used to come here. This is the place. You can see the place. And beside that, that is the field. Over that side, you can see this. This is the field where we used to play. And this is also another field where you used to play in our childhood days, cricket and football, etc. You used to play. Bye bye. So finally, we have come to the Sri Ram temple, which is under construction. The temple is of our village, which is been the fund has been provided by my father and all the people of this village, and it's the hard work people of the village. They have constructed this temple. This is the Sri Ram temple. You can see this is the deities who are outside of this temple. Our village temple is this one is our village temple, Sri Ram. Here Ram, Lakshmana and Sita. This is the pond of this our temple. This is our pond. You can see this is a lotus plant also, which is beautifully lotus plant. You can see the lotus plant of the village, and this is the place where we used to take bath in our childhood. This is the backside of this temple. You can see, and this is the storehouse of this temple. You can see the storehouse of the temple. This is the place where the yajna will take place in all the time. Yaga place is this one. This place is under construction and in some days it will be completed. Because of COVID-19, this some sort of construction has been halted. You can see this is the cooking place and sort of staying place of all the people. You can see this is the surrounding of the temple, which is, you can see this is the Lord Rama and Lord Lakshman, and this is the pastimes of this Lord Rama and Lord Lakshman. You can see how beautiful the temple is. Yes, it's our village, and this is our village, and this inside this jungle, this is our village. You can see some sort of home are here. Yes, this is our home, and this all are the coconut trees inside our home. You can see. Yes, bye bye.